Hey guys, DMS here. In today's 2-minute tip, we're going to be talking about vocal presence and clarity. What does it mean? Let's find out. So, vocal presence and vocal clarity. Two different but equally important things. Headphones like the HD650 and HD600 are known for both. But what exactly are they? Well, vocal presence in the HD650 is mostly benefited because the headphones have a reasonably narrow soundstage, but you can have a headphone with good soundstage and still have vocal presence. Vocal presence is exactly what it sounds like, the ability of the artist's vocal to be present and heard outside of the rest of the mix. For good vocal presence, it's generally good for a headphone to have a strong resolution in the mid-range, but also to have decent separation. If you don't know what that means, we're gonna have a video on that in the near future. But for the most part, it's a headphone's ability to present the vocal track in a way that can stand out from the rest of the mix without being exaggerated, but without losing anything. Now, vocal clarity, on the other hand, is the exact other end of that. It is the vocal's ability to resolve, to be clear, to show details that you might not normally be able to hear. A good example of this would be the small pops and clicks you would hear when a singer approaches or is farther away from the microphone. The micro portions of vibrato in a singer's voice you may not normally hear. Or even some of the background sounds of people talking in a studio, or things that I would contribute to vocal clarity as well as resolution overall. This is especially apparent in songs that have a very busy mid-range. If a song is an extraordinarily busy mid-range and a vocal is still able to come out clearly, it likely has good vocal clarity and potentially also good vocal presence. Though vocal presence, I think, is also essential to having a headphone with a good center image. Which, if you don't know what that means, you should check out the last video I did on soundstage and imaging. So guys, hope you liked that simplified description of vocal intimacy and clarity. If you did, please leave a like down below and a comment letting me know what you want to see in the future. If you want early access to videos like this one, you can check out the Patreon linked in the video description. And as always, don't forget to stick around and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Until the next one, guys. Peace.